Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 39. It is from chapter 22 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. Okay, so we need to find the angle between a wire that carries a current. It's in a field. We know the length of the wire and we know the magnetic force. Okay, so let's start with part A. And let's start with what we know. Okay, we know the current is 8.00 amps. We know the magnetic field B is 1.20 teslas. We know the length of the wire is 50.0 centimeters. And we know there's a magnetic force on the wire of 2.40 newtons. And we need to find theta. Okay, magnetic force on a length of wire is F equals ILB sine theta. We need to make this equation say theta equals. So let's start with sine theta. So we're going to have F divided by everything that was multiplying the sine theta. So ILB. Now all we need to do is take the sine inverse of both sides. That leaves us with theta equals sine inverse of F divided by ILB. And now we just need to plug in the numbers. Okay, our force was 2.40 newtons. I, 8.00 amperes. The length of the wire is 50.0 centimeters. We're going to need to convert that to meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Okay, there's our IL, and now B is 1.20 teslas. Okay, I did that calculation and I got 30 degrees. Okay, so that's part A. Now part B, we need to find the force on the wire if the wire is rotated to make an angle of 90 degrees with the field. Okay, so we can just add on to the list. Now theta is 90 degrees. What is F? Okay. Well, F is ILB sine theta. So we'll go straight for the numbers. Okay, so I is 8.00 amps. L is still the 50 centimeters, and it still needs to be converted. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. B is still the 1.20 teslas. And now we need the sine of 90. I did that computation and I got 4.80, and that's going to be newtons. All right, I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or there's other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.